Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need windshield repair, scheduled maintenance, or a tune-up, Paragon Acura uses the industry's best factory-trained technicians along with the highest quality equipment to make sure your vehicle is serviced right the first time. Visit us at www.paragonacura.com, where you can print out money-saving service coupons. Speak to an online representative to answer your questions now. Get information about our high-tech collision center. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Paragon Acura is located at 5602 Northern Boulevard in Woodside, New York.